Oh yes, folks, get ready because DJI is back at it again. And this time, they're turning the entire action camera game on its head. Just when everyone thought the Action 5 Pro was the peak of what an action cam could do, here comes the DJI Action 6 ready to break boundaries. DJI isn't just upgrading hardware, they're changing how creators connect with their gear. Imagine controlling your camera straight from your wrist. That's right, smartwatch integration is now a thing. Whether you're hiking, diving, or sprinting up a mountain, you can record, switch modes, and even track heart rate and altitude without touching the camera. It's like your wrist has become mission control for your adventures. And with DJI's track record of precision and innovation, the Action 6 might just be the ultimate tool for thrill seekers, vloggers, and filmmakers alike. Buckle up, because this is going to be exciting. DJI has pulled off something truly impressive with the Action 6, fusing power, performance, and intelligence into one compact device. The biggest talking point is the new smartwatch integration, which completely changes how you interact with the camera. Imagine being able to start or stop recording, switch between video modes, or capture stills, all from your Apple Watch or Garmin smartwatch. But that's not all. The Action 6 also syncs advanced metrics like heart rate, altitude, speed, and even dive data directly into your footage in real time. For Garmin users, there are extra features such as cadence and power tracking, turning your wearable into a complete adventure command center. Bluetooth does the heavy lifting here, keeping the connection fast, smooth, and seamless during intense activities. Now, let's talk about the camera itself, because this is where DJI truly flexes its engineering. The 1-inch CMOS sensor is a game changer, delivering outstanding detail, crisp textures, and impressive 13.5 stops of dynamic range. Whether you're capturing sunny landscapes, snowy mountains, or underwater adventures, the color accuracy and contrast will blow you away. Video options are top tier, with 8K at 30 frames per second, 5.3K at 60 frames per second, and stunning 4K at 120 frames per second slow motion. This makes the Action 6 an absolute powerhouse for creators who demand cinematic quality in every frame. Design-wise, DJI kept the essence of the Action 5 Pro but refined it further. The dual-screen setup returns, one on the back and one on the front, giving vloggers and adventurers the flexibility to frame shots perfectly without flipping the camera around. It's a fan-favorite design that just works. The Action 6 is also rugged and built for the extremes. It's waterproof up to 20 meters without a housing, making it perfect for deep dives and water sports right out of the box. The camera also packs modern connectivity options like Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, and USB-C with potential DisplayPort support for ultra-fast transfers and stable wireless control. There's also something mysterious about this design. Underneath the front screen, there's a pill-shaped component that has sparked tons of speculation online. Some think it's a sensor, others believe it could be for gesture control. Whatever it is, it's keeping everyone guessing and adding more hype to the release. Even the battery system has been given serious thought. Reports suggest two variants, a 1,770 mAh and a 1,500 mAh option, hinting at a standard and a pro version. This gives users a choice between longer runtime and lighter portability. DJI's consistent release schedule suggests an official announcement between August and October, and given how polished the leaks look, it feels like something big is right around the corner. And that wraps up what could be DJI's most exciting release yet, the Osmo Action 6. From smartwatch integration that turns your wrist into a control hub, to a massive 1-inch sensor delivering gorgeous cinematic footage, DJI is clearly raising the bar once again. The waterproof design, the refined dual-screen layout, and that mysterious new front component all hint at a camera built not just for capturing adventure, but redefining it. If these leaks hold true, we might be looking at the most advanced action camera ever made. One that perfectly blends intelligence with ruggedness. Here at Technify, we'll be keeping our eyes on every update, leak, and official announcement. The Action 6 could be a game changer for content creators, travelers, and filmmakers who live life on the move. So, stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and get ready, because when DJI finally drops this beast, we'll have the full deep dive right here.